You are in Japan tour and wonder how to stay connected. Whether you are exploring Tokyo, Kyoto, or countryside, reliable mobile data is a must. I will break down the best SIM cards and eSIM option for tourism in Japan, including prices, where to buy them, and which one right for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more travel tips. Let's start with physical SIM, great for travelers without eSIM compatible phones. Sakura Mobile is a great SIM for first time visitors or digital nomads. Support English and you can get it at airport. The plan Sakura Mobile offer 5-day plan for 3850 yen, unlimited data. Mobile SIM, great for travelers who need Japanese number, calls, plus data. It offers 4730 yen per 25 GB. Third one is Ninja SIM, great for short trips and convenience. You got 1 GB per day starting at 3795 for 7 days. Nippon SIM is also one of the great SIM in Japan for physical SIM. 30-day plan 3 GB per day for 1950. It's for budget travelers. Now we are moving on. eSIM, super easy to set up and perfect if you want to avoid SIM swapping. Are low, best for light use and easy setup. Per day 1 GB for $4. And if you want more, if you are tour for 30 days, you can get 3 GB per day for $8. Holofly, get unlimited data 5 days for $19. Good for streaming and heavy use. Jetpack, budget conscious or digital user. You can get this SIM for $5, 3 GB per day. Nomad SIM is one of the best for eSIMs, made to heavy usage with flexibility. You get 5 GB per day for $17 or 10 GB per day for $30. Let's compare all these SIMs. So here's a quick breakdown to help you choose. Sakura Mobile, long stay English 4850 yen. Mobile calls and data 4730 yen. Arlo, lightweight, light and cheap data $4. Holofly, unlimited data users for streamers or YouTubers for generally $19. Nippon SIM, budget, short-term usage, or if you have short tour for 8 to 7 days, $1980, 1980 yen. Some big tips before you choose. Make sure your phone is unlocked. Each SIM required a compatible device. Order SIMs in advance or pick up at the airport. Avoid roaming fee for your home carrier. Japan is one of the most connected countries in the world. Now you will be too. Let me know in the comments which SIM you going with or if you used one of that working great for you. Like this video, subscribe for more Japan related videos. Thank you.